Okay, so we're going to continue with example 16.1. We're still looking at finding degree of saturation, and if we have time, we'll move on to the density. So anyway, this is how you calculate degree of saturation. In the previous video, this is the method we used. There's this other method here which I'm going to run through like real quickly. So its degree of saturation is equals to the partial pressure for the vapor, for the water vapor, over its partial pressure at saturation, multiplied by, open brackets, the total isobaric pressure minus the partial pressure at saturation, over P sub B minus P sub V. And that's basically it. So we know from the previous parts we've already solved that our partial isobaric pressure 0.98642 bars, our PV is equals to 0.01701 bars, and our PS is equals to 0.04242 bars. So we can simply substitute these directly into that to solve for mu. And if you've noticed, this actually seems much quicker than the earlier method. So we proceed as follows. This is P sub V 0.01701 over P sub S, which is 0.04242, multiplied by P sub B, which is 0.98642, minus. So yeah, this is us plugging in all the values. You can now punch these into a calculator. So we've punched this in to the calculator. Let's see what answer we get. Okay, so 0.39. So our mu is 0.3904, which is approximately 0.39, which, if you remember from the previous video, this is what we got. In terms of percentage, this decimal is 0.39 by 100, which is equals to 39% as the degree of saturation. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think we have, okay, and we'll end here for now. Then in the next one, we'll be looking at the next part, which has to do with finding the vapor density. But anyway, if you know, so in conclusion, you have two ways of finding your degree of saturation. One which makes use of the specific humidities, and another one which makes use of just the pressures given, the isobaric pressure, the partial pressure for the vapor, as well as its partial pressure at saturation. This is obtained from the steam table. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.